So today I'm going to show you some awesome items that I got at Dollar Tree and how I'm going to take these items to organize our RV. So stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Holly and thanks for joining us on Let's Go Now Adventures. You know, our YouTube channel is about all things camping, and so whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So today I'm going to show you these awesome items that I got at Dollar Tree and how I'm going to use these to organize our RV. So just take a look at all these different shapes, sizes, and different fun items. So in organizing your RV, you know that a lot of times there's not a lot of space, and that's why it's key to be able to make the most of the space that you have. And that's why I was so excited when I found all these different shaped bins at Dollar Tree. So not only were they different shapes and sizes, which will work great when organizing my RV, but it's very economical. I got all these bins for just $1. You know, anything from a dog bowl to toothbrush holder, a sponge holder. These clear bins are amazing. I can't wait to show you what I did with these. And they have lids. So lids, and then you can see what's inside of the bins. All these different shapes. You've got these flexible bins that can fit in maybe a tighter space that come in different sizes. You know, a silverware holder, a dish pan. This is a great place to go to get items, especially when you're first starting out and you need to organize your RV. So come on inside and I'll show you how I use these items to organize our RV. Okay, so to start off, we've got these two first front cupboards. And as you can see, these bins are just perfect. Now I went with the heavier weight bin because some of the items that we have in here are heavier. You know, we've got lanterns and things that some of the more flexible, softer weight canvas containers wouldn't have worked for, but this is perfect. We also keep, you know, the lanterns in this first cupboard right here, just for the fact that when our slide is closed, we can still get to lanterns and stuff if we're unpacking. So these are the exact same cupboards. Now I've gone with a lighter weight collapsible storage container just for some of our lighter weight items. And what's good is, you know, these can move over and just easily to move and then pull items out. And this, you can tell this is like, you know, a hammock and some binoculars and, you know, a tarp that are just perfect for this, and then they slide back in. Isn't that great? We didn't want to leave Murphy out, so he got his own cupboard. So this is Murphy's cupboard. And this is just great. We've got his food and his leash and the doggy bags and a brush. So look how perfect that is. Easy to get in and easy to get out. Okay, so this is our snack cupboard, and it's perfect for two of the bins with some room for, you know, like a bag of chips or something right here. But these can slide back and forth, and then they come out and you can grab what you need. They go in so easy and then just slide back to make a lot of room, the most of our space. So this is where we put a lot of our DVDs and games. As you can see, I'm in the process of restocking our DVDs for the summer, but these work just perfect, are the perfect size for your DVDs. You can just grab it and decide what you want to watch. Okay, up here is where we keep a lot of our you know, paper products. And these clear bins, look how good you can basically see what's in them before even pulling it out. And we've got pens, papers, cards, glasses, you know, some of those basic necessities. This is where we keep a lot of our camera equipment and cords. And look how good these bins fit. I could actually fit one more on this side, but this was great for some of those loose cords that were just loose. So this size bin is fabulous for the bathroom cabinets. I mean, it's perfect for toothpaste, makeup, hair ties, just so small and compact. It fits great in there. While you're at Dollar Tree though, don't forget your bath sponges and your toothbrush holders. Now over into the actual bathroom, we have bins that are a little bit bigger than this that holds all of our, you know, shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. Okay, and now for the closet. You know, we have very little space in our closet. It's kind of a downside to this, but I have found that by using these clear totes, not only can you pack them sideways and see exactly what's in them, but I can stack these 2 deep and 10 high. And this works out great for, you know, socks and underwear. So I can get 4 of John's t-shirts in here, 5 of my t-shirts. And so it's a real great place to roll your t-shirts and put them in the clear bins. I love this solution. Okay, so once again, you've got the silverware holder. Comes in perfect. It just fit down in there so nicely. Okay, so moving on to the sink. Dish drainer. This is priceless. You know, in RVs, you don't have a lot of extra room, so this comes in handy, and for $1, bonus. You know, you've got your little sponge holders or dish towel holders, and while you're there, you know, so many great things, not necessarily for organization, but they have dish drying mats, they have the mini size Dawn and hand soaps. I mean, so great for an RV. But while you're there, don't forget your Diet Coke and maybe a cute little decoration to put in your RV. Now, one thing I wanted to show you, a fun thing that they just brought out this last month, are the Command hooks. Now, they've always had hooks that you can hang up, but they weren't the Command brand, and so they honestly didn't work very good. But you know, the Command brand is top notch, so now they have these for $1. If you were to go to like the grocery store or a Walmart, these Command hooks are going to run you about $3. So this is a bonus, and we use these under our sink and then throughout the trailer for, you know, our jackets, our hats, and purses. Okay, so under the sink, once again, a great place for your Command hooks, but the biggest, I've got a bin that right there that holds all of our cleaning supplies, wipes, and garbage bags. So this is one of my favorite, these bins with the handle. So easy to get in and out of the fridge, and you can pack a whole bunch of the smaller little items in here. And then they came out with a smaller version this year with the handle, you know, the fridge storage bins, which are going to come in so handy for butter or condiments, things like that. Voila! This is a fantastic find. They're push lights that just stick on top of your cupboards, which is so great because, you know, some of those RV cupboards are deep and dark. And this way, like if you're trying to find something at night, you can actually see what's in the back of your cupboard. Now, I like to, once again, use these bins. You can pull things out and the bins just pull forward, and it makes it a little bit more accessible to see, along with the light, what's in your storage bins. So I hope maybe I've given you, you know, a couple of ideas that will help you get a little bit more organized in your RV. So happy shopping, happy organizing, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye. Okay, so moving on to the sink. Once again, you've got your dish dryer. This is indispensable. Is that a word?